Welcome back to another episode of I try to make crappy games look good with Bloom and Unity's particle system. So in my last video, I decided to make a multiplayer game and release it on Steam. And we had our hovercar ready. I know it's been a while since I uploaded the last devlog. It's because my university classes have started, and I am also working on a new update for my horror game Manjulika. I am trying to improve its graphics and release it for PC too. So back to the game. Our hovercar controller is ready. Now we need to add some weapons. For now I have decided to make two weapons, a laser and a Sci Fi blaster gun. I have used Unity's new input system in my game, because the old one sucks for multiple platforms and it's not easy to manage. Before doing anything, I will add some inputs for weapon handling. So for aiming, when you move your mouse, the selected weapon will rotate according to it, and you can change your weapon with the right mouse click. Now let's get started with working off our laser. First we need a line renderer and a raycast. Now you just need to check if your raycast hits something, and then set position of your line according to it. Very simple. And for our Sci Fi blaster gun, we just need to spawn bullets and move them in a specific direction. And after tweaking some values, it is working fine. Now we need to add some recoil force to our gun, and maybe for our laser too. So I added an object that will move back and forth when we fire. Only moving this object doesn't look very nice, so we will add some velocity in the opposite of shooting direction. Now there was a problem in how I was updating velocity of our hovercar. So first we need to fix that to make sure our movements are smooth. And we can clearly see the difference between the previous movement and the current ones. And after adding a recoil force when we start our laser, all things are working properly. I downloaded some free sounds from this website. And added some particles to our weapon. And after replacing the placeholders for our weapon models, I found out that you can go up using the recoil force. And I am not going to fix that because it may be fun for some players. In my last video, I asked you guys to suggest me some good name for my game. And I got a really nice suggestion, Hover Bro. I think it's a cool name, so I am going to name it Hover Bros because it's a multiplayer game. So thanks Dre Ave YouTube. In the next devlog, I will be working on adding multiplayer and making enemies and maybe adding an environment. So yeah, see you in the next one.